Hello from Iguana Beach, located in Crete, more specifically in the Kato Galatas village, just 5 kilometers away from Chania. And we have a wonderful day here, 22nd of April. It's 26 degrees Celsius in the air. And in the water, I have just measured, it's around 18 degrees Celsius, which matches the satellite measurement of 17.7. And yes, this is the flag of Greece, as I'm going to be exploring this beach over here in Crete. So yes, it's going to be interesting beach adventures. And this is already day 3 of my beach adventures. And this is the third beach for today. And this is called, as I mentioned, Iguana Beach. And there is also a church right in the middle of the video that's called Aegean Apostoli. Saint Paul, I think, Saint or something like that in English, I'm not sure. But it's quite a interesting beach, this one, and it's just 50 meters away from Glaros Beach that I showed you earlier. That's just on the other side. So there are beaches on two sides of this how to say, bay, two bays that are divided by that small peninsula over there with the church. And it is not so crowded, as it is a Monday and it's out of season, but there are a few people on the beach that are chilling. And yes, I'm on my way to Chania and I'm exploring the beaches along the way over there. So we don't have full sun today, but glimpse of the sun that's behind the clouds, but still it is very warm compared to the previous two days. But this is day 3 and I have 5 more days to explore this northwest coast of Crete, close to Chania, the second largest city in Crete. So let's take a look how it looks like over here. And the water is quite pleasant, especially with this type of temperature. So you can see also the church over there. So then let's dive in. Amazing. Brilliant. Fantastic beach adventure in Crete at this Iguana Beach. So yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying a bit more here on the beach before I head to the next one that's on the way to Chania. I'm almost halfway through to Chania from this spot over here, starting off from Aegean Marina, my hotel there. So yes, thank you so much for watching this episode from Iguana Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Greece.